Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set the icon name using hostnamectl command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So open the terminal, type hostnamectl. You can see that icon name, right? I am highlighting. Icon name is showing as computer-vm. So we can change that icon name. So there are some predefined icon names. So you can set the internet for what are the icon names. So I am setting icon name as computer-desktop. Set icon name. So it will ask for a root password. Provide the root password. So icon name I have set as a computer-desktop. Let me issue the hostnamectl once again. You can see that icon name is changed to computer-desktop. So you can't reset icon name. So some icon name should be there. So let me try to reset the icon name. That is, I am going to clear the icon name. See here, you can't clear the icon name. You can change the icon name, but you can't clear the icon name. Okay, let me put back the icon name. Hostnamectl set icon name computer desktop. Okay, everything is fine here. So you can make use of this command. So I am not sure how come this command will be useful for you.